everybody, welcome back. I'm Sonia. Today we are going to be smoking cream cheese. If you guys haven't tried it, you're gonna really love it. And today I'm participating in a collaboration with my good friend Ian Good. So make sure you follow the hashtag underneath and it's gonna take it to everybody's channel. I know there's a lot of channels participating today. I know especially with my good friend Cooking with the Neighbors, Jerri-Ellen. She's also in it. So make sure you go to her channel too, as well as Ian's and anyone else participating. I'm not sure all the channels, so just follow the hashtag underneath. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your smoker, smoke your cheese, everything that you can. We're gonna make a sweet one and a savory one, and I'm gonna show you how to present it for a football party or any kind of get together you are having. Okay, welcome if you're new here. I'm Sonia. Let's go have some smoking fun. First things first, we're gonna get our smoker going. I'm gonna be using some applewood chunks. If you were just doing savory, you could probably use mesquite, hickory, whatever you wanted. I think something doing like an apple or a cherry. If you're doing sweet, something in the middle, I think the apple will work for both of them. So we're gonna start because we wanna bring up our temperature of our smoker a little bit higher so we can get the smoke going, and then we're gonna lower it back down. So let's get started. I am just placing my apple chips into my box pit in my smoker. It is evening here and it's dark already, even though it's only dinner time. It's when I had time to film. So I'm gonna do my best I can to light up the inside of my smoker, and so you can also see the temperature gauge so you guys can know what to do. Sorry it's a little dark. It's when I had time. I'm a mom first. Okay, let's look in our smoker. Okay, so we're just taking our chips and throwing it into our smoker. We're gonna turn it on to about a medium-high heat and get it smoking. Today I'm using the Spice Addicts Crab and Seafood Boil Seasoning. I will put a link to their Etsy store down my description box. Thank you to Keeping Up with the Cajons who sent it to me in the mail. I think one of my first collabs was with them, and they started their own spice company. Okay, so thank you to my son who volunteered to help me when I told him I want to make one football and one heart, and he's like, I'm pretty good at clay, let me see if I can help you. And he is such a good sport. He's always helping his mom with all of my videos. So he was like, I'm trying to make it like a 3D, but I was like, no, I just kind of wanted to more squishy and to make it look more 2D. So I stepped in for a little bit and told him exactly what I wanted. And then you're gonna place it on a piece of foil, and then I scored it to make it look like a football. You can score it any way you want. A lot of people just use the rectangular, cream cheese and then just score it into little squares. And after you're done scoring it is when you wanna go ahead and put whatever seasoning you would like on top of it. So for the second one, I wanted to make it sweet, so I wanted to make it a heart because of Valentine's Day or for any time. I think a heart's super cute. It'd be great for like a shower or anything like that. And then I just wanted to, score it, so I thought it'd be that a good pattern. And then on this one, I'm putting cinnamon and sugar. You could also use brown sugar and cinnamon. I've seen people do that. Any kind of seasoning you think would taste good would probably taste good, I think. So I did cinnamon and sugar, and I just hit it with a little bit of sugar, and then you're gonna put each one back on a grate, and then we're gonna walk them back out to our smoker. It was running a little hot, around 250, but it had really good smoke going, so I knew when we opened it, it was cool off. So I went ahead and put in our cream cheese. We lowered the heat just a drop. We cooked it for an hour and a half to drop at 225. So here we are. It was at 225 for an hour and a half. I will put the instructions down in my description box. Okay. I'm back inside and it's not freezing. They are just so cute. Let's look at them again. They turned out so cute. I think if you have a kid in your house that's really good with clay, or you are, I think you could probably mold this into like almost anything that you could think of. I was like, wow, this really worked out better than I expected. I'd made the cream cheese before, but I hadn't really thought about putting them into a pattern, and I thought they came out super cute. So now I'm just gonna get our board ready. I decided to serve them that day on sweet on one side and savory on the other. I'm thinking a lot of you probably are only gonna make one. wanted to keep with the heart pattern, so I did some vanilla wafers because you want to put something out that people obviously can grab some of the cream cheese with. I put out some of my favorite almonds from Trader Joe's. I put out some celery and pretzels. I cut up some green apples and try to make them look more like a flower. I added in raspberries. I mean, you can add anything to your board that you can think of. And I also added in some carrots on the other side. Okay, you guys, well, this turned out really great. We're gonna give this a try. I hope you guys try it out. It's super easy. I think this is like a really great idea for Super Bowl, any party, any get together. I think the football could also be turned into a baseball, right? Or it could also be turned into a basketball. I mean, anytime is good. Cheese is always good. And I actually would love to smoke some hard cheeses soon, like cheddar and mozzarella and things. And so I will, if you guys want it, I can bring it to you another video. I'm gonna try to experiment with some different kind of cheeses and then do smoked cheese and make a great grilled cheese, right? On the Blackstone in the summertime or anytime. It's just kind of cold outside right now. I use my Blackstone. So, well, let's give this a try. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go to all my friends' channels and check out their videos. I would really appreciate it. Okay, let's give this one a try, and make sure you go see Keeping Up with the Cajun or their Etsy store to try this spice rub if you want to give it a try. It was really good. Okay, let's give this a try. Y'all, that is good. You need to try it. I'm not kidding. Do it. You have a smoker, throw it in there. This was fun. Let's smoke some more stuff together this summer, right? And coming up, you want me to smoke something? Let me know down in the comments, because I'm ready. This is, every time I use my smoker, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so good. Why haven't I made it before? Well, you guys, I hope you are enjoying the game today or watching the Olympics. This would be great for the Olympics. Who's been staying up watching the Olympics? I have. I've been losing sleep over it, because you guys know I'm into sports. This was fun. I will see you soon. I love you. Take care. See you next week. Wait, we forgot to try the sweet one. You ready? Y'all, I like it. I like it a lot. It's super good. Give them all a try. Okay, for real. See you next week. Love you guys. Bye.